Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Fadali and this video is about the df command. The df command is simply used to give you a report about your system disk space usage. Okay, it will be shown in the percentage in the kbs. Alright, okay, so first of all let me just open up the terminal. Now I just want to open up the files. So I'm gonna simply write the df and it will give me the system space usage. Okay, as you can see here, the size in the GB. It is giving me the data in the GBs. You can see here. All right, this is all the usage. This is used. This is available, and all this. But if you want to see the results in the KB, you're gonna write the -k. And if you want to see the result in the megabyte MB, you're gonna write the M, and it will give you all the result in the M. Okay, so if I just want to see the disk usage of the file system that I'm currently in, so I'm gonna simply write the df. I want to see it in the MBs. Okay, then I'm gonna write the dot. It will simply determine the disk usage of my current directory. So as you can see here, that it is around this value, total value. This is the total value. And okay, if I just want to see it in a human readable form, so it can give me that the size is 109 GB and total use is 16 and available is the 87. Okay, so this is how you can use the df command. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.